struggling to hire talented individuals on a project basis, any tips would be appreciated. Because the thing is, what most people make a mistake in, and what I also made a mistake in, was that कि when I initially started, I was all about the fact कि यार बस इनको ना इतने पैसे दे दो, कोई भी अच्छा एडिटर है उसको आप 2 लाख रुपए तनख्वाह दे दो, 1 लाख रुपए तनख्वाह दे दो, तो वो आपके चिपक के बैठेगा. But what most people don't understand is that people don't fall from money, because after a certain point, more money is not going to be the end all be all for your problems. What people want more is stability and security. अगर आपने notice किया, लोग होते हैं कॉल सेंटर में जॉब्स करते हैं, अजीब जॉब्स करते हैं कम पैसों की, लेकिन why do they do it? It's because they see security in that. They see कि यार मैं अगले इसको 30 साल भी कर लूंगा, ये इस बिजनेस में कुछ नहीं होगा, because they have that psychological safety inside that particular business. So because of that, they never ever leave that business. So you have to keep that psychology in mind. Humans want reliability and safety and security more than they want more money. Because after a certain point, more money wouldn't make much of a difference. So for example, if you're making, or if your video editor is making $500 महीने का and you offer him $700, तो उसकी जिंदगी में कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. It's just gonna be like $200 extra for him. तो वो आपके साथ कभी भी वो एक extra loyalty नहीं होगी, unless you're making like $500. If you like bump him up to 1,000, that's gonna have like a huge impact on his income and on his lifestyle as well. So in that case, he might be loyal, but maximum like 6 महीना 1 साल के लिए. उसके बाद he's gonna be used to it. So what you have to do is that whenever you onboard any employee, आपने उनको देनी है vision. You have to tell them that this is not a gig, this is not a freelance gig. This is a career. Right now it's project basis, because right now my income is volatile, but in the future when we close more clients, so I would give you really good salary packages with benefits and everything. So this is gonna be a 10, 20, 30 year career for you. कि जहाँ पर we're gonna go from here, and this is the vision कि we have to take the company till that particular position, whatever that position might be, and you have to give them that vision कि ये हमारा plan है, like we are gonna have an exit in the future. Because of that vision, वो आपको नहीं छोड़ेगा, because he knows or she knows कि they are gonna miss out on such a big exit. So because of that, वो नहीं छोड़ेगा. So you have to keep this concept in mind कि whenever you're about to hire someone, or whenever you're about to hire someone even on a project basis, अब salary पे नहीं भी hire कर रहे, you have to give them a vision. You cannot expect them to stick around by just thinking मैं इनको महीने का ₹1,00,000 दूंगा तो ये मेरे से लॉयल. No. आप जो विजन दोगे, उस विजन की वजह से उस विजन के ऊपर they're not gonna go from leaving you and going to like some other place. Because अगर आप सिर्फ पैसे पे खेल रहे हो, the moment your talent gets valuable, the moment someone is gonna poach them. So you never ever play on just the fact कि मैं उसको अच्छे पैसे दे रहा हूँ. You give them a vision and you give them equity packages in the future. कि if you stick around with the company for this amount of time, then this is how we're gonna set up a basic equity structure ताकि you also have equity in the business. And उस तरह करके simple है यार. आप तो ChatGPT पे जाओ, tell him कि यार मेरी ये company है, give me a basic equity structure so that if we scale in the future, we have a proper equity plan. वो आपको बना देगा. And you offer your company equity bonuses like that. तो इस तरह करके people will stick around. But if you don't have a vision, if you don't have a long-term goal or milestones or anything, then they will not stick around. So I hope this helps.